Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to learn about these three main things used in SwiftUI. So first one is the VStack, second one is the Headstack, and the last one but not least is the ZStack. So now let us discuss what are these three main things. So let's start from the first one, the VStack. VStack allows to arrange its child views in a vertical line. So VStack, for example, if I put one button and a text in the VStack, it arranges them horizontally, one by one. Now let us move on to the Headstack. Headstack allows to arrange its child views in a horizontal line. So if I write a text and a button, it will arrange them one by one horizontally. Now next we are having the ZStack. ZStack allows to overlap its child views on top of each other. So if I write a button and a text inside the ZStack, it will put them top of each other. So let us now try it in the Xcode. Okay, here I go. I'm in the Xcode. So here I have already written some code. Now I have commented out this the Headstack and the VStack because I wanted to first discuss about the ZStack. So let me start the ZStack from the scratch. Now let me write ZStack, and after you write the ZStack, you need to open and close these curly braces. After you do that, inside the curly braces, you write your components like buttons and text. So if I write a text, okay, so make sure you write those in brackets. Now as you can see, it's normally in center. But if I put for example, another text, you see it puts it top of the first text, which is Ayan Khan. Now, so that's how the ZStack works. So it puts everything top of each other. The next thing I want to show you, for example, if I write here color dot blue, so means it will display the color blue, and as you can see, you can't see those texts now. But if I write the color dot blue first, as you can see, you can still see the text now, because first it's putting the color blue, then it's putting the text, then on the top of the text it's putting another text, and it's hello. So that's how the ZStack works. Now let us move to the Headstack. Let me comment this out, or let me delete this so you don't get confused. Let me uncomment it. Here I go. So I have written a sample code on the Headstack. So as you can see, inside Headstack, like how to define a Headstack. So I have done like same as the VStack and the ZStack. So after you write the Headstack, you put the curly braces, and then whatever the content you want to display in the horizontal way, you can write that content in here. So first I'm having a button. That's why it's showing me the button first. Then I'm having the 4 texts, hello, hello, and hello. So actually it's first putting the button and then putting the text, and that's horizontally. So that was the Headstack. Let me remove the Headstack now, and let me move to the VStack. So here's the sample code. Now as you can see in VStack, everything we write inside the VStack, it arranged it vertically. So I'm having here 5 texts, and now it's showing that 5 text vertically. So if I write hello 1 and 2, then 3, 4 and 5, as you can see, it's arranging them in the vertical way. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.